In this video, I'm going to be walking you through a site that you can make money online by working directly on your mobile device or working on your computer or desktop or any device. And you make money online by simply taking offers, playing games, taking surveys and doing other micro tasks on the site, and you make money online. And this particular site, you can work directly on your browser or you can work directly on your mobile device in any location all around the world, and you make money. And you can make up to $50 a day if you actually concentrate in working on this app. I'm just going to go straight away to walk you through this amazing app. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please make sure you do so by hitting on that red subscribe button and smash the notification bell so that anytime we drop a new video on this channel, you'll be the first to be notified. As you can see on your screen, this is the site here known as RateMonkey. This is the site where you can earn money by taking surveys, playing games and installing apps, as you can see right here. I'm going to leave the link in the description box below, where when you click, it will lead to here. Today we have 157,076 users with 259,000 total earnings, which 111.822 cents has already been paid out for today. All you need to do is to play games, you take surveys, you participate in offers, and you get paid. And 1,000 points on this site is equal to $1. So anytime you make 1,000 points on this site, you can go ahead and you cash out. As you can see, I'm going to walk you through all these particular icons when I sign in. So you can click on register and you register for an account with RateMonkey, which after you do so, you log into your account, is going to lead you to this section right here, as you can see, where you see different offers. For example, we have offers categorized into crypto, game, surveys, and so on. When you click on this earn section right here, you are going to see the different ways in which you can earn. Clicking on this drop down arrow, you are going to see Windows, Android, macos, iOS, and Linux, which if you have any of these devices, you can select based on the device that you are using, and you see the different opportunities. In my own case, I'm using Windows, and as you can see, Windows has 69 different opportunities. Then when you click on Android, Android has 339 different tags, as you can see right here. So with Android, you have 366. Then with macos, we have 339 offers. Then with iOS, you have 474 offers available. Then with Linux, we have 474 offers right here. So as you can see, let me just walk you through some of the earning opportunities. Let me click on view all. As you can see, for example, here are different games. This is a game here, and as you can see, this is an Apple game or an iOS game. This is an Android game. As you can see from the different icons here, you'll be able to know whether this app or this game is for Android devices or for iOS devices, as you can see right here. So I'm just going to take one and show you how much you need to earn after playing that particular game. When I scroll up, you can come over to this drop down arrow right here. You click on it, then you click on show US dollars to see how much each game pays. For example, this game pays $23, this one pays $18, this one pays $13, this one pays $11. So this is how you can do. This is for 4 devices right here that I have selected right here, which you can select based on the device that you are using. For example, this is Windows. So we have this app here, Magnet Miller. We have Woody Puzzle. For example, if you finish this game, you make $1.03. So when you click on it here, you are going to see different instructions. Complete challenge 5, 3, 9, 11, 15, and 20. As you can see right here. And you need to complete it within 30 days in order to be paid that amount of money. Then they say this offer is only for Android devices. So each offer that you see here, this offer is only for Android devices. So if you have an Android device, you can go ahead and you download this app directly to your mobile phone. And to download this game, you need to be on the Red Monkey website. Then you click on the game that you want to download, and it will take you to Google Play Store for you to download the app and play. But if you download the app directly from the Google Play Store, after playing the game, you won't be paid. So make sure that you are on the Red Monkey website before downloading this app. So let me just scroll down. You can scroll here and you choose some of your favorite games that you like to play. For example, this Chinese Solitaire. This offer is only for iOS devices, and after you play and finish, you make $1.04. And you can see the instructions here as well. Complete level 5, 10, 25, 50, and 75. As you can see right here. This another one here, $13.08. All you need to do is to read the instructions and follow. This offer is for Android devices. It is a fun time for first-time users. You need to reach level 2,000 meters of distance level and so on. And you need to complete these after a number of days, and you make $13.08, as you can see right here. So we have crypto opportunities, we have games, we have surveys, and so on. So you can as well select games or quizzes or surveys or crypto tags, and you do to earn money on this side, as you can see right here. So there are a total of 474 different tags. As you can see, this is $40.46 right here. All you need to do is to follow the instructions, and you finish playing the games or the surveys within the required time, and you'll be able to be paid with the amounts allocated to each game that you see on your screen right here. So I'm just going to click on the cash out so that you can see how many points you need in order to cash out. When you click on cash out here, you are going to see there are two types of payments: gift cards and crypto, as you can see here. Under crypto, we have Litecoin, we have Solana, we have Dashcoin, Dash, Bitcoin, and Bitcoin Cash right here, which each of them has a minimum requirement. For example, with Litecoin, you need just 500 coins, Solana 500 coins, Dashcoin 2000 coins, Dash 500 coins, Bitcoin 10,000 coins, and Bitcoin Cash 500 coins to withdraw. Then with gift cards, we have Amazon gift cards here, which there are different type of Amazon gift cards with different prices depending on your location. We have $5 here, $10, and so on. With $10, you need 10,000 points, $25, 250,000 points, and you need to select your country from this drop down list here. You select because this cash out is based on the country where you are located here from the drop down list. So these are the different cash out methods that we have. We equally have Netflix, which we have $5, $25, $50 and so on, which you equally need to select your country to select the different cash out threshold. We equally have Spotify, which start from $10, $30, $60. So this is Red Monkey. This is how you can make money, and it is very easy because you can cash out just with 500 coins. You can cash out your money using cryptocurrencies or using gift cards. We equally have the ladder bot section where it classifies the number of people that has worked on the site based on the highest to the lowest. See, the first has 5,000 points for today, 3,000 points and 2,000 points. And you can see the list right here: 5,000 points, 3,000 points, 2,000 points, 700, which you too can also work on the site. And the coins that you make, you will be listed on this ladder bot section, as you can see right here. So this is how you can make money with Red Monkey, and you cash out using gift cards and cryptocurrencies. I hope you find value in this video. Make sure you subscribe by hitting on the red subscribe button, and you like this video as well. So I'm going to leave a link in the description box below, or you can check out this next video to see other ways in which you can make money online by doing different tasks.